And Elon Musk says that he tried to get a meeting with Apple CEO Tim Cook back in 2018 to pitch him on the idea of buying Tesla.
A few years ago, during Tesla's most challenging period, Elon Musk reached out to Apple about a potential acquisition. However, Apple's CEO, Tim Cook, refused to even meet with Musk. Musk later confirmed on Twitter that he had attempted to sell Tesla to Apple for 1/10 of its current value, but Cook did not entertain the idea of having a meeting with him. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Elon Musk trying to sell Tesla to Apple, but CEO Tim Cook refused to even meet with him. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Elon Musk tried to sell Tesla to Apple in 2016, but CEO Tim Cook refused to even meet with him. Musk had approached Cook about a possible acquisition, but Cook was not interested. He reportedly told Musk that Apple was not in the automotive business and did not want to be. Cook stated, "You know, I've never spoken to Elon, and there are lots of companies out there that we could have bought from at different times, probably, but I feel really good about where we are today." I don't remember it being like that, but he said that he did, and so I assume that's correct. Musk was reportedly disappointed by Cook's response, but he did not give up. He continued to pursue a deal with Apple, even going so far as to send Cook a handwritten letter. In the letter, Musk argued that Tesla would be a good fit for Apple, and that the two companies could work together to create a truly revolutionary car. Cook did not respond to Musk's letter, and the two companies never reached a deal. However, Musk's attempt to sell Tesla to Apple is a reminder of the ambitious nature of the Tesla CEO. He is not afraid to take risks, and he is always looking for new ways to grow his company. It is also worth noting that Apple has since expressed some interest in the automotive industry. In 2017, the company announced a partnership with Volkswagen to develop self-driving cars. While this partnership does not necessarily mean that Apple is planning to enter the automotive market, it does suggest that the company is at least considering the possibility. Only time will tell whether Apple will ever enter the automotive market. However, Musk's attempt to sell Tesla to Apple is a reminder that the company is a potential player in the industry. Musk was reportedly disappointed by Cook's response, but he did not give up. He continued to pursue a deal with Apple, even going so far as to send Cook a letter outlining his vision for a partnership between the two companies. In the letter, Musk argued that a combination of Tesla and Apple would create a super company that could revolutionize the automotive industry. Musk began the letter by praising Apple's innovation and design capabilities. He then argued that Tesla's expertise in electric vehicles and battery technology would be a perfect complement to Apple's strengths. He suggested that the two companies could work together to develop a new line of electric vehicles that would be both stylish and efficient. Musk also proposed that Apple and Tesla could collaborate on the development of self-driving technology. He argued that this would be a natural fit for both companies, as Apple has a strong track record in software development and Tesla has a leading position in the electric vehicle market. Musk concluded the letter by urging Cook to consider a partnership between the two companies. He argued that it would be a win-win situation for both parties. Apple would gain access to Tesla's expertise in electric vehicles and battery technology, while Tesla would benefit from Apple's innovation and design capabilities. Cook is said to have been impressed by Musk's letter, but he ultimately decided not to pursue a deal with Tesla. He reportedly felt that the two companies were too different in culture and approach to make a partnership work. Despite Cook's decision, Musk's letter is a fascinating glimpse into his thinking about the future of the automotive industry. It is clear that he believes that electric vehicles are the future, and that Apple and Tesla could be a powerful force in shaping that future. Cook ultimately declined to meet with Musk, and the deal never materialized. However, Musk's attempt to sell Tesla to Apple is a reminder of the ambitious nature of the Tesla founder. He is not afraid to take risks, and he is always looking for new ways to grow his company. Musk has a long history of taking risks. In 2002, he founded SpaceX, a private space exploration company. SpaceX has since become one of the most successful private space companies in the world. In 2003, Musk founded Tesla, an electric car company. Tesla has also become one of the most successful electric car companies in the world. Musk's willingness to take risks has been a key factor in his success. He is not afraid to fail, and he is always willing to try new things. This has allowed him to achieve great things in a relatively short period of time. Musk's attempt to sell Tesla to Apple is a prime example of his willingness to take risks. Apple is a much larger and more established company than Tesla. Selling Tesla to Apple would have given Musk a significant financial windfall. However, Musk ultimately decided that he would rather keep Tesla independent. This decision was likely based on Musk's belief that Tesla has the potential to be a much larger and more successful company than Apple. Musk's decision to keep Tesla independent is a testament to his ambition. He believes that Tesla can achieve great things on its own. This is a bold and risky bet, but it is one that Musk is willing to take. Only time will tell if Musk's decision will pay off. In the years since his attempt to sell Tesla to Apple, Musk has continued to push the boundaries of innovation. He has launched SpaceX, a private space exploration company with the goal of making humans a multiplanetary species. He has also founded The Boring Company, a tunnel construction company with the goal of alleviating traffic congestion. Musk is a visionary entrepreneur who is not afraid to dream big. He is determined to change the world, and he is not going to let anything stand in his way. Musk's success with Tesla has given him the financial resources to pursue his other ambitious projects. SpaceX has already made history by successfully launching and landing a reusable rocket, and the company is now developing a new generation of rockets that are designed to carry humans to Mars. The Boring Company is still in its early stages, but Musk has ambitious plans to build a network of tunnels under major cities that would help to reduce traffic congestion. Musk is a controversial figure, but there is no doubt that he is one of the most innovative and successful entrepreneurs of our time. He is a role model for young people who want to make a difference in the world, and he is an inspiration to anyone who believes that anything is possible. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.